Hi there, my name is Steve Toro. I'm the General Manager of WUP Access. I'm here to give you a quick tour of our facility. WUP Access is a Miami-based crypto mining store serving the United States, Canada, and beyond. Let's go in. As I enter, first step is the lobby. As you can see, there are a few indicators that WUP Access takes mining very seriously. We have some fine posters, display coins, and my favorite, the bull bear statue. Some of the posters that explain some basic crypto terminology and knowledge for our customers. And of course, every crypto company needs a screen showing the real-time stats of cryptocurrency. As you can see, we love eagles because eagles soar. Past another office and restroom, we make our way into the showroom. They even have a couple of working miners on the desks, a KD Box Pro and an HS Lite. Both are quiet enough not to bother anyone. It's nice to see them on and working. On this wall, it's packed with miners and accessories. From KD boxes, CK boxes, and HS boxes, to a Voscoin Special Edition Tails Mini Doge, some very important switches, all the way to the brand new Gold Shell Mini Doge Pro, and even some Bobcat helium miners. This next wall shows that we are ready for any situation. From all types of cables, C13s, C14s, C19s, PDU cables, and Ethernet cables in various sizes and capacities, we are sure to have the cable that you need. Moving along to the next wall, you can see it's packed with more miners and accessories. From Avalon 1246s, Gold Shell KD6 and HS lights, replacement fans, shrouds, even the Bitmain power supply, regular PDUs, PDUs with LED readouts, and the whole bottom floor is dedicated to the one and only L3 Plus and L3 Plus Plus. Here at WUP Access, we are here for you. From your first home miner to your professionally built-out container, we offer one-on-one consulting on the design of your farm. From electrical, ventilation, to networking. WUP Access, your access to the world of crypto mining.